today I'm going to show you how I built this squirrel table. This thing's awesome. I'm very pleased with it. I made several different designs. This is the one I like. So stick around. I'll show you how I did all the cuts and put it together. And at the end I'm going to try to give you a cut list or a drawing of this particular one. Eventually I'm going to make a larger version that we can build together as a family, because our squirrels are ginormous mutant ninja squirrels. So stick around and make some squirrels happy. Tap the first one in. Put the legs in like this. These are 5/8 inch, 18 gauge. There we go. Okay, now, oops. Alright, here's one. It's kind of cool. I like it. So we'll figure out how to attach it to the fence and see if we can feed some squirrels on this. Alright, so my solution for getting this attached to the fence is pretty easy. I just took a small block of wood, put a hole in it, and I made it small enough where it can fit in there and you don't see it. So that turned out really well. And then I just put a screw straight into this block. And I attached mine directly to the fence. Alright, it's a done deal. Go out there and make some squirrels happy and have yourself a blessed day.